Okay, it's recording. You guys
Yeah,
with me? Okay, yeah, I was saying you still keep the same procedure as the forward. The only difference now, this one is written
yes,
like this, like this. Now, but the subtraction is still the same. Low minus up. So you have 354 minus 332. What's the answer? What's the answer? 354 minus 332. What's the answer? Guys, please, when you're done after this class, redo this thing and try the problem. You get it right. What's the answer? If you don't have a calculator, I will check. I believe, yeah, they got. It is 332. 332 minus 354. What's the answer? I think they got minus 22 there. 291 minus 332. Low minus up. They got minus 41. So you see that there, that's how it is done. Minus 41. 260 minus 291. This should be 20 something there. 31. Minus 31. You see how it is done. Low minus up. 231 minus 260. So this will be minus 29 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, minus 29. 204 minus 204 minus 231. 204 minus 231, what is it? Is minus 27. We've got minus 27. So now here we go again. Now we have delta F1. Same thing. Remember now, you have to be careful. It is minus 41, minus of the formula, and then minus 22. So this is why I want you to be careful while doing this table. When you are doing this minus thing, please pay attention. Minus 41 minus 22. What is the answer? This is giving minus 19. So the same thing is done here. Minus 31, minus of the formula, minus 41. What is the answer? It is giving here, I guess, minus 10. This one is minus 29, minus of the formula, minus 31. What do you have as answer? It is 2. You get 2. I hope you see what I'm doing, right? Minus 27, minus of the formula, minus 29. What you get here is yeah, it's 2 as well, eh? Manager, are you with me?
yeah, I'm with you, Mr. Guys.
Yeah, this one is easy. Now you go minus 10, minus of the formula, minus 19. This should give you 9. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah? Wait, what are we having? It's giving 29. Minus 10. Minus of the formula. Minus 19. I think something is off here. Manager, can you do this in the calculator? What do you guys have? What do you guys have? Minus 10, minus 19. What do you guys have as answer?
Yeah, I'm getting the same answer as you.
No, this
The
thing
one
is
you
wrong.
got 9, right?
I think it has to be 9. I'm just looking at
Yeah, me too, I
minus
got
10.
9.
Yeah, this is
Hey
9.
guys,
So, yes, my brother.
because that's where I'm getting 9, 12, and 0 there.
You're getting 9 here. This one you're getting 12.
No, I'm getting 9 and 0.
This one is 0. Yeah, these are the right answers. This is wrong. This
Yes.
these values they are wrong. That's why it's important to understand what you are doing. Otherwise, if you You would try to find these answers, but you won't get it. So I guess the book has some slight mistakes, but if you understand what's going on, we can catch it up.
Sir,
Yes.
also that minus 31 minus 41, I get a positive 10. I don't know why.
Okay, let's do it. It can be right. Minus 31, minus of the formula, minus
Minus
41.
here
Yeah,
minus
it gives 10 actually because you have minus 31 plus 41, which is 10. Yeah.
yeah, I see it's negative in the table.
So it's wrong there. This suppose so you change this everything. It's 10, and I think this is the one that is giving maybe 29. Or can you guys use a calculator? We can just check it because now
Yeah,
I don't trust this answer now, please.
yeah, we made a mistake on that 10. It's right, Mr. Guys. We're
Yeah.
supposed to get 29.
So this one will be then 10 minus of the formula minus 19. It's giving positive 29. So the mistake, I think the mistake was here where it did not put plus. But that's what I'm saying. Let's take our calculator and do as well because I don't have a calculator and I'm writing things that I see there, and this can happen. But as long as you understand and you do it right, you have to get it right. So is there any other mistake somewhere here? I think this should also change then because we have 2 minus 10. This should give now minus 8, something like that. This should give minus 8 and this should give 0. I hope that's what they got. Minus 8 and 0. Yeah, I think we're on the right path. Now we have minus 8, so you have to be careful. Minus of the formula and then 29. So this is giving minus 37. Now we have 0 minus of the formula minus 8. It is giving positive 8. I guess that's what they got as well. Yeah. Remember, it is low minus up. And then here you have D4F. So guys, please, from tomorrow, payment must be made. Payment must be made. Now we have 8 minus of the formula minus 37. What do you get here? What's the answer? You get 45. I guess it's 45. So that's the thing. When you do the backward, you go from up to the last one. Remember, when we did the forward, we went from up to, we went like this. Backward, we go like this. That's the first difference. You ask that question, Ochi, what's the difference? This is the first one. The second one is also the formula. When you look at the formulas, now, to find H, it is the same. H is still B minus A over N minus 1. So how do you get B? You are here, the biggest one. A is the first one on the X. So you do have 45 minus 20. So what is N? I said N, you just count your row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N minus 1 is 6 minus 1. If you do this calculation, you got your H. The formula remains the same when it comes to that. That's why you see H here is 5 as answer. Now the difference is, my brother, when it comes to P. Because P in this case, what is the formula now? I think it is X minus Xn, if I'm not mistaken here. The formula says it is X minus Xn over H. Remember, for forward it was X minus X0. Now what is xn? Xn, it is simply the last value here. So if I can recall it, xn, it is simply p. So what is x? I said x will always be provided in the equation that they want you to find. In this case, x was given as what? As 42. You can see. But you are there listening to the plumber.
It's Mr. OT.
So we have 45 minus. No. Ooh, need to pay attention. We do have x is the guy that we want us to find. 42. Xn is the biggest value of the x here. So it is 42 minus 45 over h, which is 5. So what do we get as answer here? What do they got? It's supposed to be a negative answer, which makes it minus 0.6. So what is important to pay between forward and backward? First thing is this one, and how to get the p. For backward, it is x minus xn. So x minus the biggest value. For forward, it is x minus x0. X minus the smallest value. So that's the difference. But let's see, I don't think there's a difference in the formula on how to solve it. There is no difference. But here it's written plus 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 plus. Oh, there's a difference. There's a difference in the formula. There is a huge difference. Anyway, let's print it and bring it there. So guys, if you please make the payment. Pastor, just update me when you've made it, my bro.
Yeah, I made it. You'll see it.
Ah, the pastor. So Suzuka is right. Suzuka said that you're a rich man. In Limpopo there, you've got land like Malema.
Now just following your instructions, man. Since you said you want your man, so we need to be. Yeah, let's just
Oh,
continue.
okay, my brother. I know those topic. Okay, my brother. Okay, what is important here? When you follow the formula, you can notice that now it is plus, plus, plus. On the other one, it is minus. And this one here is touching with yn. Remember, on the forward interpolation, that guy there was touching from y0. This one starts with yn. So you need to know what is yn. If this is xn, therefore yn should be the last one here as well. So yn in this case, it is 204. So if we have to solve using this formula, so you can go p of x like this to be yn, which is 204 plus, remember you found your p here is minus 0.6 over, remember 1 factorial is 1, so you can just simply put 1. What is delta 1? Guys, now you have to pay attention. When it comes to backward, you start from low going up. So your first value of the backward here should be this minus 27. You can do it straight like this, you get full marks like this. Now you move again. What is the following expression with my pastor? It is p. What is p? P is minus 0.6. Open the bracket. What is p plus 1? Question you can ask, please. I see you raise your hands.
Mr. Ice, can you please go back to that one, negative 27? You said something. What did you say?
Oh, I said, remember now, according to the formula, these deltas that they are talking about, they are the guys here. Remember, They are these deltas here. So when I say delta 1, actually here it's supposed to be delta inverse like this because it is backward. When it is delta showing like this, it is forward, but it's fine, it doesn't matter. What's important is how we do it. Now, if I take P is what we solve here. Now, P plus 1, it is minus 0,6 plus 1. Now, what is delta square, Pastor? You simply come to your guy here. Can you, Ochi, can you send the formula that you have on your hard copy, please? Can you hear me, Ochi?
Okay, yeah, I hear you. Let me find it.
Because the one that I have in this hard copy, I think something is off.
Sir, it looks the same, but let me just take a screenshot. I mean a picture and send it.
I think I'm the one who made. No, It's fine. I'm the one who wrote it wrong. This is delta f. This is square. This is 3. This is 4, and this is 5. The formula is fine. I'm the one who called it wrong. It's fine. So this one here, so delta square here is the value of this square here, which is 2. Everything multiplied by 2 factorial. So when you write like this, let me just recall it. When you write like this, you can simply come and write the one that they wanted you to calculate, which was 42, P of 42 like this, and you write it straight like this, you get it right. Now, following expression, it is plus P is minus 0,6 multiplied by minus 0,6 plus 1 multiplied by minus 0,6 plus 2. What is delta cube here? You are just copying, guys. Where is cube? Cube is 0. Okay. When it's 0, you don't have to worry about it because everything multiplied by 0, it cancels the whole expression. So you jump to the other one. Okay, what is the other guy? The other guys, I'm just following the formula again because I know that I was here by plus 2, so I know I'm gonna have this expression 0,6 minus 0,6 plus 1 minus 0,6 plus 2 minus 0,6. Now I will go plus 3. I'm just increasing. Now what will be the factorial here? This one was supposed to be 3 factorial, so this one should be 4 factorial. Now what is the delta 4 here? You just come, you read. Delta 4 here is 8. You come, you put, and you put 8. Guys, this is a repetition. It is not difficult. If you can just redo after the class before you go to bed. Yes, Ochi? Oji.
So in the formula, I see there's always the x squared, the x cubed. It's not actually exponents. It's just telling us which delta to use.
Which delta to take? Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. That's the reason why I don't write it x to avoid confusion. But you get the point, ne? Yeah, those x's there, they are these deltas. So you can actually do it like this. That's why I'm saying during your test, you can do this thing in 10 minutes. As long as, don't rush, be accurate when you do the table. As you can see, if you mess up on the table, you are messing up in everything. So that's crucial. So now the following expression, and I said, where do you stop? You stop to the power of your highest. Here it's 5, so it means we're going to stop at 5. So here you will go, you copy your expression, minus 0,6 minus 0,6 plus 1 minus 0,6 plus 2. You go again, minus 0,6 plus 3, that was there. You add the last one, minus 0,6 plus 4. You just increase by 1. And the last one is what here? The last one is 45. You put 45 over 5 factorial. If you can type this on your calculator, I do believe that you should get the answer that they got. Then you are done. So we see we did this in 20 minutes. This is backward. What did they got as answer here? They got 218. Literally, you don't have to recall it like this. With x is what? It is long for nothing. You can write the formula, jump at it, substitute and calculate. Or you can write it step by step if you don't want, if you want to make sure. You get what I mean. So yeah, after you do that, you calculate, you should get that 218,7.
Ice.
Yes, my leader.
So meaning the one that with 0, it falls under 2 factorial, but the whole thing is just going to be 0.
This one here.
You see this one, we started with negative 27, then we follow the second number, which is 0. Then we
No, no,
go
no. The
A.
second number was 2. 27, 2. 27, 2. The third factorial was 0. Do you see it?
Okay.
Are you sure, my leader?
Ice.
Yes, yes, I'm listening.
Okay, I got it. I got it. That's not my mistake.
No, it's fine. If you saw it, that's what matters. Now, literally, yeah, they did forward, backward. So I wanted us to do divided what there, so that we can be done with this thing as we are speaking now. We don't have to come back to it. But if you can do me a favor, what I want from you is simply to redo this thing that we are doing. Now, we're going to do Newton divided. Newton divided, I think, is the one that looks maybe a bit complex or not. But anyway, let me close this thing.